Hey everyone, what's going on? Let's talk about Porch Group stock. This company really grasped my attention and we're going to talk all about why in this video. Now, quick fact, they just completed their merger via SPAC back in December. Now, this company is in the homeowner space, which has a ton of potential. So let's get right into this. I don't want to waste your time. But first, I'm not a financial advisor. And secondly, I hope it's not too much to ask for an early thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you aren't already and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. As always, I appreciate the support so much. So yeah, you guys, Porch.com merged with PropTech Acquisition Corp, a special purpose acquisition company, on December 23rd and began trading on the NASDAQ stock exchange under the ticker PRCH the day after. Now, the stock did close at a price of $19.71 a share on Friday, February 5th. They were up almost 11%. In the after hours, they jumped to $20.18 a share and they were up 2.38%. Now, in this 5-day period, they were only trading for $14 in the beginning of this month, and they have since rose so much, almost 40%. Now, like I said, this company has a ton of potential, and I believe that they'll just experience a massive growth in the next following years. So an introduction to Porch Group, they are a vertical software platform for the home, provides software and services to more than 10,500 home services companies, such as home inspectors, moving companies, real estate agencies, utility companies, and warranty companies. Through these relationships and its multiple brands, Porch provides a moving concierge service to home buyers, helping them save time and make better decisions on critical services, including insurance, moving, security, TV, internet, home repair and improvement, and much more. This company is really making homeowners, home buyers process way easier because their model is basically a one-stop shop. Who doesn't want that? Especially if you're a first-time home buyer. I can just imagine how stressful it can be having to contact many different services that are needed during the process, such as home inspections, real estate agents. I can imagine how that can be very, very stressful. So Porch Group, their model is just, it makes it so much simpler for home buyers. Now, their companies do consist of Hire a Helper, Inspection Support Network, PalmTech Home Inspection Software, Candela, iRoofing, Elite Insurance Group, Homeowners of America, and V12. Now, if we look on this article on Seeking Alpha, they did post this yesterday, I believe. It says here the company estimates that nearly 2/3 of all U.S. homebuyers are processed through its software. Given their transaction pricing model, approximately 25% of all U.S. homebuyers are permitted by different home service companies. Around 41% of home inspection companies pay through their unique transaction pricing. Now, the way the service model works between these companies and Porch is that Porch can charge $4 for a software as a service per transaction via Porch software. Alternatively, the service provider can give them access to customers, which is 6 times more valuable. Company estimates via customer access can generate around $25 per customer, presented the potential revenue opportunities. This can be scaled up to about $2,300. Porch flexes a 30 times LTV CAC based on this unique transaction pricing model and has a gross margin of 81%. Now, speaking of revenue, on their presentation, it says here that they have the potential to grow revenues by 20 times. 1, mover marketing, $200 million potential revenue opportunity. 2, insurance expansion, $400 million potential revenue opportunity. 3, new vertical expansion, $400 million potential revenue opportunity. Now, the upside potential is $1.5 billion in revenue, with their core business growth potential being 30 to 35% compound annual growth rate. Now, actually, back in January, they did announce some 4 strategic acquisitions that they're in the process. I believe they're still in the process of. Now, in this article from CNBC, it says that Porch acquired Homeowners of America, a managing general agent and insurance carrier, hybrid insurance carrier, and V12, a marketing and data platform, for $122 million in total. The digital marketplace also added 2 software companies to its portfolio to add home inspection and roofing services to its offerings. So they're really adding all these different segments into their platform, which will bring in a lot of revenue from each segment. Now, since we're speaking of acquisitions, they did purchase ISN, which is Inspection Support Network. So it says here that their previous purchase of ISN, its CRM for home inspectors, has grown 5 times in revenues. That's absolutely amazing. It says here, this makes us confident that management knows how to unlock value via acquisition and this will serve as a good sign for their future M&A pipelines. As you can see, for Homeowners of America, it is the highest value service in the home and is a key growth opportunity. Combining an MGA carrier with our brokerage provides the highest LTV potential for Porch, a comprehensive offering for consumers, and an experience we can fully control to make the insurance experience enjoyable and part of our becoming the partner for the home. Combining Porch's unique and vast access to home buyers and property data, Porch's historic investments into our data platform and self-service quoting, and HOA's strong pricing and claims experience, we will be one of the largest insurtech companies with significant advantages to driving long-term rapid growth. Now it says here, given Porch's unique and vast access to home buyers, Porch receives CAC free access to those consumers who are required to purchase insurance ahead of when they begin to search online. Given Porch's unique access to property data, roof quality, hot water heater, useful expected life, appliances, we expect to realize long-term pricing advantages. This is in addition to Porch's mature insurance operation with better than a 57% gross loss ratio today. Now, as for V12, essentially what V12 is a data and technology and marketing company that helps brands deliver sales outcomes. V12 combines proprietary pre-mover, new mover, active shopping data, and unparalleled household insight with impactful marketing programs to drive results. And it says here that V12 will dramatically expand Porch's mover marketing business. As we look here, it says fully scaled mover marketing and data platform with self-service tools for SMBs. One of a small set of scaled marketing platforms with movers as one of the core products, 500 clients, Fortune 500 to small and medium-sized businesses, and 90% of revenues either recurring or reoccurring. V12 dramatically accelerates the capabilities and infrastructure to achieve Porch's stated medium-term target of a $200 million high-margin revenue stream within mover marketing. So it says here, Porch has unique and early access to U.S. home buyers providing a new pre-mover product. V12 brings robust data platform and 330 million consumer records, including demographic information used by 500 clients and SMBs. V12 data will help Porch's now expanded insurance business have an advantage position for its pricing and underwriting models. So basically, the way that I see it is that it is a win-win situation in terms of Porch Group giving these companies that are using their services some exposure, credibility, and likely new customers. And like it says here, the reason why I said win-win is because the service provider can give them access, them being Porch Group, to customers, which is 6 times more valuable. But here there actually is some risk because getting access to customers' information, that could be an issue. So that's something that you want to keep in mind if you are interested in this company. Now, with these acquisitions, they have expanded their U.S. total addressable market by almost $100 billion. Moving services such as moving, security, TV, and internet is $4 billion. Mover marketing was from $0 to $8 billion. Contractor services is $141 billion. P&C insurance is from $83 billion to $167 billion. So this is huge because these acquisitions gives them so much opportunity all around in different services and so much potential to grow and bring in new companies that are wanting to use their services. Looking at their 2021 revenue now, especially with these acquisitions, it's expected to be $170 million, which is more than 134% year-over-year growth. Now that's a pretty decent jump considering that their previous 2021 revenue guidance was only at $120 million. But now with these acquisitions, it completely just boosted it so much. Now it says here 90% of 2021 revenue expected to be recurring or reoccurring. 25% will be B2B, recurring fees from companies. 10% will be B2B2C and B2C post-move services, reoccurring and non-reoccurring transaction fees. Green is 65%, which is B2B2C moving services, recurring and reoccurring transaction fees via companies. Now for Homeowners of America, which is a major partner of Porch's insurance brokerage today, all revenues via B2B2C and all revenues recurring. Now as for V12, which is another acquisition, solution is sold as a recurring subscription product to brands and is included in B2B recurring revenues. Now we all love subscription models, recurring revenues, because that is, it's not guaranteed, but basically what I'm trying to say that it's expected if you get what I'm trying to say. But I mean, of course, that's if they don't cancel. Now, they are investing into the company while showing strong annual improvements in adjusted EBITDA percentage. It says here, each year we expect to demonstrate a meaningful improvement in adjusted EBITDA margin, showing consistent progress toward our long-term target of 25%. We believe our decision to deploy more dollars into R&D, sales and marketing, and G&A will support a larger and faster growing business over the short and long term. And this is good. I love when I see companies who are heavily invested into their own company and really just showing their belief for their own company. That's something I like to see. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think about this company? I do think that this is very interesting. It shows strong potential. There's a lot of opportunity, massive opportunity, and I'm definitely looking into investing in this company on Monday. But I would like to know your thoughts on this company. As always, they are appreciated down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. As always, I appreciate the support so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.